friends, today I am doing a craft, paper cat. We need a paper, a pencil and a marker and sellotape or glue. This color paper is the shape of the square. Now fold it. Now we got a triangle. Now open it and take this corner, put it in the line. Now you got this shape. Now fold it like this. Now you got this shape. Now fold like this. Now you got this shape. Now fold like this. Now we got this shape. Now fold it like this. Then take this and put it right here. Take this right here. Now take the cello tape or glue and stick it. Now you got the cat shape. Now draw the cat's face. Now we got the cat.